With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, our question is statement 1, that is if a and b are integers and roots of x square plus ax plus b equals to 0 are rational, then they must be integers. And statement 2 is if the coefficient of x square in a quadratic equation is unity, then its root must be integers. Okay, so firstly in the first statement is given that the roots are rational. So let p upon q are be the roots of this polynomial equation, that is x square plus ax plus b. So p upon q will be, means pq will be belongs to integer, pq belongs to integer, and q is not equal to 0. This is the condition of rational number, and HCF of pq is equals to 1. Okay, so this be a root of x square plus ax plus b equals to 0. Then if this is a root, so we put this value in this equation. Okay, so we will get here p square upon q square, okay, plus a p upon q plus b equals to 0. Now we will multiply it by q square to both sides. So we will get here, when we multiply by this function, so q square will be cancelled out. Here will remain p square plus, when we multiply from this, so 1q will be cancelled out. So here will remain apq plus b q square, and it will be 0 only. Okay, now we can write it as p square equals to, transfer this term to that side, so take minus q as common, so here will remain ap plus bq equals, sorry, ap plus bq. So we can here see that q divides p square, so we can write here that q divides p square, and if q divides p square, so q divides minus q ap plus bq. Okay, now if this q divides p square, so now if q is dividing p square, so we can say that q divides p. Okay, q divides p. If q divides p square, so we can say that q divides p. Okay, so if q divides p, so it is given, it has, we have written here, that is HCF of this rational number is 1. So HCF of pq is equals to 1. So from here we can say that q is equals to 1 when q divides p. Okay, so thus that is x square plus ax plus b equals to 0 has integer roots. So first statement is true. Okay, first statement is true, and second statement is what? Second statement is if the coefficient of x square in a quadratic equation is unity, then its roots must be integer. So we can say that, that the coefficient of x square is 1, that is unity. So it is given, they are saying that its roots must be integer, so we cannot say that the roots must be integer. So we can write here as statement 2, that is statement second is false, because we cannot say that statement 2 is false as x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0 if here also the x square coefficient is 1, that is unity. So does not have integer roots. This function does not have integer roots, so statement 2 is false. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.